Hey, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have my friend and barber Refi in the kitchen.
I'm here. I'm ready to cook. Let's do this.
We're baking, but same thing. So today we are going to be making chocolate cookies.
Okay. One of my favorites.
How would you rate? I love chocolate cookies. How would you rate your chocolate cookie expertise?
I've definitely baked chocolate chip cookies before. You know, you get them, you put them in the oven, and you're done.
Easy as that.
I think I'm ready to go. I see we got eggs, chocolate chips, all the things I know you need to make these.
Everything you need. So you just want to get cooking?
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, I think we should start with the base. I'm definitely just used to using salt, pepper, and garlic on whatever I buy, but we're gonna have to leave out the garlic today.
Okay.
So I like to stay strategical, so we're gonna do 2 cups of flour.
Got it. I support it.
I'm gonna be clean, keep everything in the bowl. Salt, let's do 2 tablespoons of salt. 2 tablespoons of salt. Now, sugar. We need a lot of sugar in these, I know that.
Let's see on one hand with the counting.
5 tablespoons of sugar.
Oh, okay.
No, we need more than that.
Well, I'm not, don't look at me.
1 cup of sugar.
Okay, sure.
1 cup of sugar. We're gonna make these sugary for the people.
For the people.
What's that?
Oh, this is for baking powder.
Okay, baking powder. It wouldn't be out here if I didn't need it, so let's put some in.
Smart thinking.
Right? Okay,
is hair edible?
No, hair is not edible, Eitan.
Oh,
okay, vanilla, let me count. Hold on. 2 teaspoons.
Okay.
Okay, now we need to make sure we get the eggs in.
Yep. Oh, do you want to do a one-handed egg crack? Oh, snap! Wow, I thought I was going to try to impress you, but you impressed me.
This is not... You sure you give me enough eggs? Okay, let's do 1 more egg.
Perfect. All right.
Cool.
You may want to add some butter.
Butter.
Just a thought.
Butter. Why would I not use it? It's right in front of me. I'm gonna have to cook this ladle.
Oh, it's not a ladle, it's a food process. No.
Okay, you know what? I'm going hands in.
Hands in.
Yeah.
You're going for it.
Yeah.
Ooh, just kneading the cookie dough.
Yeah, what else? Eitan.
Do you want chocolate chips?
No. Yeah, but...
Yeah?
Yeah, you do it.
All right, there you go.
Cool, go.
Is that good?
Good,
More?
yeah, that's good, that's good.
Let's go. Okay,
Wait,
cool.
that's a lot.
Oh.
It's okay.
More
flour. Wow.
That was like cookie dough.
I almost want to make these into like pancakes. Maybe I was making pancakes in my head.
Maybe you were?
Shoot. Okay, we are about mushy enough. We're almost al dente.
Almost. a little al dente cookie dough. Perfect.
Wait, don't touch.
No, I'm just showing the camera.
Oh, fine. Show them the beauty. If anyone knows what cookie dough batter looks like, it's that. Okay, now we need, right there, that's what we needed.
I did it for you.
Spray, perfect.
That's what you need.
So much cookie dough.
Here you go, sir.
Ooh.
Yeah, look at that.
Here, you want to try some of this?
I don't eat raw eggs.
No, not eat it. You want to try the scooper.
Oh, sure. I'll do that. Yeah, we're good.
Yes.
All right, what do you want to do at this stage?
We're going to bake it at 350 for 10,
I'll set a timer.
about 10 minutes, but we're going to check on it.
10 minutes, great.
Oh, here, check this out.
10 minutes. All right, we now have 10 minutes to kill.
10 minutes. Okay, you think I cut your hair in 10 minutes?
That seems like a fast haircut.
Let's do it.
No, we're not using scissors.
All right, Eitan, let's do this.
I'm ready.
We got a few minutes. We got to get this haircut done before those cookies come out. You're only as fresh as your last cookie.
This is true.
Wait, you're only as fresh as your last cut.
Oh God, I'm scared.
All right, we got that done.
3, 2, 1, scissors down. And it is time for the reveal of Refi's cookies.
These look pretty good.
Wow, not gonna lie, those look way better than I expected.
These look like maybe like oat cookie. I don't know, something
Oatmeal?
with that. Something with the eggs made it look like that.
Yeah.
But okay, I'm gonna clean you up while these cool down, and we'll both try them together.
Yeah.
All right, let's see how these look on the bottom. You said medium rare, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I like my cookies like I like my steak.
Wow.
Wow, that's hot.
Right here.
Wow. Oh God, it's falling by.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm covered in hair and cookies.
Well, look how well cooked that is. Perfect amount of chocolate chips. Perfect amount of gluten.
Well,
Eggs. I don't know what I did, but I'm doing that again.
I think if I ate a little bit of my hair, that would be bad.
Yeah, what's with you and eating the hair? No more.
No, I'm just saying, like, well.
You guys should definitely try these cookies.
Eitan, you're looking nice and
Thank
fine.
you.
Eitan is a big mess right now. Don't look at him.
I'm going in hot, literally.
Yeah, they're quite hot.
Oh. It has 6 times the amount of salt than it should.
Okay, but I
That
wanted
definitely
sweet and
comes
salty.
Okay. The texture is really fluffy, like a pancake. Refi, also on the side, I'm very impressed.
Thank you.
Sam.
I appreciate it.
You
really
did
killed
way
it.
better than I thought.
Cheers.
Thank you for letting us have
Enjoy.
this. Cheers, we shall now leave
If
you
you
to
ever
it.
need any meals, let me know. Okay, Eitan, we're done here.
All right, thank you for making me your cookies. Now I'm gonna make you my cookies, and I'm gonna make giant cookies.
Happy to help.
Yes. So we're gonna start off with browning butter. Do you know? Have you ever browned butter before?
It sounds self-explanatory, but it seems like you put it in there and wait till it gets brown.
Wow, Refi the chef. While that happens, do you want to chop some chocolate?
Give me an example.
I'll kind of like run my knife through there like that. Then you can run it the other way. Doesn't have to be perfect. You know, I actually like to have kind of different mismatched
You
pieces.
make that look easy, so I'm gonna try to do it like that.
So let's melt our butter. See.
I don't know how you did that.
It's very important that we then get this back to the right consistency for us to cream. So we're just going to pour this onto a little baking sheet right here. Look, see those little brown
I do
parts?
see the brown now.
Right,
Yeah.
that is what we have browned. And we're going to freeze this for about 15 minutes, and that will just kind of, you know,
Put
firm
the
it up.
consistency back
Yeah.
into butter.
Exactly. Now, do you want to open the freezer back there?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, be careful. Okay. Oh, careful. Oh, okay.
Perfect. Oh, how are we gonna show?
eat
We
the
gotta show
chocolate.
like the butter.
Yeah. Oh,
First we
true.
got fresh
Chill
like
like
the
the butter.
cookies.
Fresh like the cookie, chill like the butter. All right, now we're going to take our butter out of here, and we're just going to scrape it from here into there. Let's do that. Come on, butter. Look at that. Comes out super duper easy right into there. Now, while I'm doing this, do you want to add in our 2 sugars?
Into the butter ice cream.
So I'm just going to use a little bit of white sugar and a little bit of brown sugar. All right, now, do you want to do the honors of getting this to mix? Put on like a nice medium speed on the other side. So we're just going to cream our brown butter and sugar together. All right, now into here, we're going to crack in our egg. So I'm going to do 1 whole egg and 1 just egg yolk right into there. So yeah, it'll just, you know, the egg yolk, it's magical powers.
What does it? What does it add?
Yolk.
What does the egg yolk add to this? Estrogen.
No. Richness. The egg yolk will add some extra richness, so just add that straight into there along with our vanilla extract straight into here. And you want to put that back down and keep on mixing that together. There we go. Over here I have some all-purpose flour. I'm going to add in a little bit of baking soda,
Okay.
a little bit of salt. Now I added in about a teaspoon of salt.
Right.
You added in 6 times the amount. Yes. I want to try to get like as little mixing as possible.
So keep your hands out of it.
Hands out.
Got you.
And we're just gonna mix that together, basically until it's like just about to come together, and then we're gonna add in our chocolate. Go. Let's see. Can I do this without spilling? What do you?
Yes.
What do you think? I don't think so. All right, great. Bam. Oh, there you go. Little Scooby snack. And now we're just going to mix this again, just super quick, till that comes together. Looking great. I'm just gonna use this large cookie scoop, and I'm basically gonna do like a very large amount of cookie
That's a big
dough.
cookie.
It is.
It's gonna get bigger.
Very big.
Wow.
And now we're just going to scoop that right on here and repeat with the rest of our dough for us to then fridge it. Do you want to do a little scoop?
Yeah, let's scoop.
There you go. Scoop it up. There you go, sir. Right onto here. And now we're going to place this into the freezer for 15 minutes.
More chilling.
All right, so our cookie dough is now out of the freezer. We tidied it up a little bit. Now, we're doing a very cool technique. This technique was popularized by Sarah Kiefer. She popularized this technique. It is called the banging pan cookies. It creates a really cool ripple effect and texture on the cookies. So, we're now going to pop them in the oven. We're gonna start by baking them for 10 minutes.
Okay.
Pop those in, and we're just going to start for 10 minutes. Let's set a little timer. Oh, nope, not that one. 10 minutes. Oh, great. 10 minutes.
My turn for a haircut?
Sure. Give me like,
No, not actually.
No, okay, good. I thought you were serious. I was like, I am not mentally ready for this. What is the craziest thing someone has told you while you were cutting their hair?
Oh my gosh, we can't get into this on camera.
Oh,
right
not
now.
appropriate? All right.
Are we rolling? Okay, one time someone told me that this him and his because his who also worked at was and he found out because he was homesick one day and they came over. He couldn't work there anymore because he knew that also worked at
All right, let's get our cookies out of here. You want to do this pretty fast, so take your cookies there. I'll take my cookies here, and now we're going to bang them. Ready for it? You want to use a lot of force. Ready? And bam, 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 bam. Okay, now we're just gonna pop them back in and bake for another 3 minutes. Wasn't that fun?
That was great.
It's a good way to get your aggression out. Amazing. All right, last time, let's pop these out. Here's yours, right over there. This is the last time we're going to bang these, but whoa. 1, 2, 3. Can we just take a second to appreciate those ripples? Ripple action going on in there. The technique is working. And now, let's just pop it back in the oven. 1 more minute. Are you ready to eat cookies? I'm excited. All the adrenaline pumping through my body. I already have the sugar high before the sugar has entered my body.
I'm just excited to eat these cookies.
Woo!
Let's go.
Okay, I'm excited.
It's hard to make like chocolate chip cookies like super good.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't know all you had to do was bang it across the counter.
Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's take our cookies out. All right, here you go, sir. There's yours.
Ooh.
While they're cooling, we're going to sprinkle with a little flaky salt. Over here, do you not do a little salt bay action?
Yeah, here, give me some. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whatever you say, sir.
Yeah. Okay, good.
Okay. Little flaky salt bay action all over the top. Oh, wow.
Perfect.
Love the technique.
That worked.
We're gonna let these cool and then give them a try. The time has come. Are you ready to give it a try?
Let's do it.
Cookie cheers. Eat it.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
A better cookie than mine.
If you enjoyed watching, you can hit the like button. You can comment down below. What did they comment?
Comment whose cookie you thought was better.
Yes.
And then tell Eitan why you thought my cookie was better.
Oh, that's fair. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to be notified every time I post a video. Click the bell notification. And if you need us, we'll be eating our cookies.
Guys, I had a pleasure.
Thank you for cutting my hair, as always. Wow, look at us.